even in sounds I cannot hear. On this noisy morning, I look for 3 little black beans. It's breakfast time. Your fluffy curly hair only moves your lips in silence, begging for another treat. How could I ever not love you? Beyond the horizon, you still have all the time in the world, but time passes far too fast for me. Let's not stop, even though I know one day you'll have to go. Let's not stop. 3 little black beans, come with me. Let's go find your voice. 3 little black beans, let's sail away and see the world together. 3 little black beans, my little curly-haired one. How could I ever not love you? Three little black beans, my little curly-haired one.